Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dairo. In this video, I want to show you how to import from India. I know I've trained you guys how to import from Turkey, how to import from China and some other countries like that. But today in this video, I want to show you how you can import from India without paying anybody any money and without depending on anybody. Practically just watch the video to the end and thank me later over this video. And before we go, please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, give me a like on this video, leave your comment, let me know what you feel about this video, and please share this video to your loved ones. Then, do not forget, check the description to this video to connect with me on Facebook. Thank you, I love you. So let's go.
When it comes to importation from India, with me here I have list of sites you can buy things from when it comes to importation. Many importation from India. So I'll be treating this one by one for you guys. If you're very new to this, I will try to make this easier for you to understand. Let me tell you one thing, right? Importation from India is very simple. It's very, very, very simple. You understand it. It's just like 1, 2, 3. You understand everything. So I will be giving you those sites and how you can do importation from those sites. But before we go further on this today, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe by clicking this button, subscribe. And when you subscribe, do not forget to click on this bell. So click on this bell, you will see all. Just click on all so that you'll be notified anytime I drop video on my YouTube channel here. Then give me a like on this video. Let me know if you really enjoyed this video. Give me a like on this video and leave your comments. Let me know what you feel about this video. Drop your comments. I will really appreciate you doing that. And do not forget to share my video. Do not forget to share this video to your loved ones. Please do that. Share this video to social media, friends, or family, or whatever. So I really appreciate you guys for doing this for me. I really appreciate you guys. So let's go back to the business of the day on how to import from India. I have list of sites you can easily buy things from. Like you want to connect with the supplier or whatever. But first, out of all the sites, is called goforwardbusiness.com. goforwardbusiness.com. Look at it here. goforwardbusiness.com. So this is how to do it. Make sure you sign up for this site. That's first thing you will do. Every site you want to buy things from, when it comes to importation from India, try to sign up with those sites. Although it's not compulsory, there are some sites that you don't need to sign up and you're able to do 1 or 2 things you want to do from this site. Alright, the second thing to do is to come here, type whatever thing you want to buy here. Let's say handbag. Now you want to buy handbag, type handbag here and search. That is the second thing I want you to do. When type handbags, the third thing to do now is to come here. So what you have to do next is to come here, then click on find suppliers. So I'll click on find suppliers now. Alright, so these are the suppliers. Look at it. These are the suppliers for handbag I search for. These are the suppliers. But one thing is, we have suppliers from different countries here. You can see from Turkey, from many like that. So we have suppliers like that from different countries. What we have to do is to narrow our searching. By come here. You see FIVERR here. You click on FIVERR. When click on FIVERR, then you go to countries. Now select particular country you want to buy things from. So here now, for this video now, we target India. So we want to buy from India. I click on India now. This will load. Now this is the result for India. And don't forget, let me click on the FIVERR again. The premium members, see premium members. So you can select here also. So gold preferred, silver preferred. So I'll click on gold preferred, or if possible you can leave it blank like that. Just leave it like that. So if we come to this now, look at the verified suppliers we have here. So this now make us to have rest of mind that okay, these people are really in the business and they are doing well. So look at the stars they have, the evaluation. So the ranking is okay here, you can see. All right, now the next thing for you to do is to connect with them. So what you would do is to click on inquiry. So when you click on inquiry, let me click on inquiry. Now look at this. Now I say ask. Now read this one. Please ask detailed and specific questions about pricing, minimum order quantity, delivery timeline, etc. Detailed message results in prompt responses. So good. So which means you have to put your message there and make detail everything you want to talk about it. So leave the message here in details. Then company name, your name, email address, then phone number, country. Then you enter this information, enter it there. Then click on inquire now. So this will be sent to them, and these people will connect with you. The supplier will connect with you now, either through email or through your phone number, and they are very wise. The phone number provided, and they will check if that number is WhatsApp number. So at times they will connect with you on WhatsApp. Yes, they used to do that. So that is one out of all. The second method is let me go back. Second method is, you will see here now when you are scrolling, you can also submit your requirement here. Short on time, let handbag sellers contact you. So you can put your name, email, phone number, and make sure if you are putting phone number, let it be your maybe WhatsApp number. Then put detail of what you want to buy. Say provide detail about your handbags buying requirements so suppliers can contact you with their quotes. So putting this one here now will help make suppliers to connect with you. So through the contact detail you provided here. So different supplier now will connect with you now on the information your contact you are putting there, and then click on submit. So that's all. So you have many means of getting different suppliers. Like you're able to get cheapest rate of anything you want to buy. So these are the method you can use to search anything anybody want to search for. Even here now, you can from this filter here, you can even search from other countries. You can check and search from other countries here. So this is one out of all. Then next one here is Alibaba. You can see alibaba.com. I know we are used to Alibaba now, alibaba.com. So make sure you don't use the app if you want to do this kind of searchings. If you want to search something like this, don't use app, use browser, and if possible put it on desktop mode. Now what I will do, let's say I want to search for anything. I'll come here now to search. It says what are you looking for? So I'll click here now to search. So let me say, okay, let me choose from one of these popular searches here. I'll click on this now, women handbags. So let me assume that I want to click and search for this now. All right, so from here now, from Alibaba also, I can narrow my searching. I want to contact a supplier or sellers from India. So what you would do is to come here, click on this refine, click on refine. Before you go, just check through down. You will see that these are suppliers from different countries. But here now, we want to search for people from India only. So you click on this refine now. When you click on refine, then you will see location. This location, click on this location. So from location now, you can choose India. Look at India here. You can select India. So now I'm selecting India. Then click on done. Then click on done. Now, oh great. So now the result I'm getting are these are suppliers from India. Suppliers from India. So let me click on one of them here. Oh great. So look at this now. Look at this. This is India. So this person now, this is manufacturer. I think I should explain that also, that it should be manufacturer. If you want to do your narrow searching, it should be manufacturer. So this is manufacturer now, and you can connect with this person by just chatting with them here. So just click here to chat with them. So when chat with them with this person now, you can make inquiry, ask for this person's this person's WhatsApp number, so you can connect on WhatsApp so that you can continue your discussion then. And yes, they used to be on WhatsApp. They are just like Nigeria here. They are used to WhatsApp so much. So from there now, if you want to make payment now, you can make payment to some of these people through some of these e-commerce sites like this. You can come here that you want to make payment through their store here, so you can make payment here. And for some people that they may want you to make payment one-on-one, like send money through Western Union or whatever, but that may put you at risk. So it's better you pay online through some of this e-commerce store like this. So I think this will help you to feel safe a bit, so before you were able to trust anybody you are dealing with online. All right, so let me go to the next one. So next one now is globalsources.com. You can still use this site. This is globalsources.com. You can also use this site, sign up with them. Then just similar way, the way we have been doing it from the Alibaba and this site, goforwardbusiness.com. Also, you can practice the same thing here. You can use this method to connect with supplier from different countries here. So you can connect with them here also. So the next site we want to talk about now is called TradeKey. You can see TradeKey from here now, tradekey.com. So just come here, search for anything you want, join this, sign up with them, then click here to search for anything you want. For instance, let me search for handbag again. Ladies handbag now. So when you search for this, now you will see post sourcing request. So you can come here now to fill this one also, post sourcing request. That is one. Let me click on it. All right, you can see now. So if you want to put sourcing request here now, just fill the details here. These people will connect with you from different angles. Most of these sellers will connect with you because everybody wants to sell online now. So this will give you higher chance of getting the least price of whatever thing you want to buy here. It really helps so much. So that is one out of it. Then second method is, if I scrolling down now, you see different supplier here, different sellers here now. So let's narrow our searching by clicking on filter here. So look at this filter here. See this filter. We'll click on this now to filter this out. So country now. Let's select our country. We want to put this one. That's India. You have 43 sellers here from India. Okay, now you can see them now. So contact now. So you can click contact now. So you'll be seeing different one, and click on contact now. Let's go to the next one I want to show you. The next one is indiamart.com. So indiamart.com, you see post requirements here. You can post your requirements. This one is even very easier. So you just post your requirements here, and these people will connect with you from different angles. Your phone number provided now, they will use it to search for you on WhatsApp and connect with you and let you understand that they have this, they have that, you can buy from them. So if you're able to get reliable customer now or sellers now, it's something that they can easily be providing, supplying you every time you need things from them. So this one now you can search online. When you search online, just as you have been doing since now, you can connect with them by, let's get your something. You can connect with them by clicking on call now or get best price. You know why I say call now? It's not like you are going to call, but just to have access to connect with them now. What you do is just to click on the get best prices. So clicking on get best prices now will help you to easily connect with them. And when you connect with them, now let me tell you something. Connect with them. I've shown you different means of getting in touch with them through some of these sites. Get in touch with them, then making payment. Now you can pay them through this e-commerce store directly. So you can pay them. You use your normal local bank card to make payment, or you can pay them through Western Union money transfer. You can send them money to. So that is another means. Then if you are chatting with the seller now, you can also ask the seller if they are used to Stripe, or if they can open Flutterwave account to receive payments. Yes, so Flutterwave now, you can send them money through Flutterwave or through Stripe or through Western Union, or you pay them directly from e-commerce store, just like this now. So this will really help you. So then the next one is tradeindia.com. 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 So for instance, now I can go to, let's say I can search for handbag again. Handbags, search. Great, look at it now. So this is straight up India. This site is from India directly. So look at it now. There's nothing like to filter. It's just directly from India. So they make it so simple for you, like to connect with them on WhatsApp here, view their number, send the inquiry. So you have many methods of reaching them now. So if I were you now, I will connect with them directly on WhatsApp here. So it makes you to have a good relationship with your supplier. No, now I've told you about how you can make payment to them. Then how would they send your goods to you in your country now? You will tell them that they should not send your goods through DHL or some of these expensive courier companies. That they should not. They should help you send your goods with some of these logistics that have a cheap service. Good logistics that have cheaper service. Just instruct them that they should not use some of these expensive courier company to send your goods. That is, if you're trying to import things to some of our countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and some of these African countries here, so that this will help you to have maximum profit on anything you are buying from India. If you dare use DHL or UPS or some of these expensive courier company, that may be costly for, or your own part, it may be costly for you. So these are the information I have for you. I still have many sites like that. See, if I continue, I will still be showing you more sites. Let me show you more here. Another one is tobok.com, and another one is ec21.com. Another one here is tradingdeed.com. So some of these sites, I want you to go and master them and you can use them to buy things from India. You know, it's very good for you to master importation from different countries. For instance, now China now, they have time that buying things from there now may not favor you. So you just have to find means of importing from other countries as well. Since you have mastered them, you know the kind of thing you can import at the right time, and you're able to meet up with the demand or request from your supplier, from your customers. So you cannot just say because one country is having a challenge or whatever, and you just be idle or doing nothing. No, as a business person, as a business oriented person, you should know how to make money importing from different countries. You should be able to master some of these things very well. So these are information I have for you, and this will not be the end. I will keep posting more for you guys. So these are just the information I have for you about importation from India. I will still keep making more video. Like, let me just feel from your comments if you get this video very well, or what do you have to say about this video, so I will know either to make another one for you or to still go more deeper than this for you guys. So do not forget to leave your comment and give me a like on this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn up the notification bell, and share this video to your loved one. So I really appreciate it. And for you to be notified of some of my information, I am inviting you to join us on Facebook. So check the description to this video to join on Facebook. So I love you. Bye for now.